What's up? Welcome back, guys. Chillin' day. Chillin'. Figured we'll do a little different format. Mixing it up, mix up the format. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out. Don't really have a topic. I threw the words AMC, GME in. We can take a look at those charts, but they were just trending. That's why I chose them. So yeah. What's everybody doing? Not too much going on here today. Too much. But why not hang out with the fam? Why not? We'll have an episode where I get to read the chat for once. That'll be cool. Don't forget, though, to smash that like button anyway. Don't forget the likes just because it's a chill stream. Don't do it. Or do it. I don't know. One of the two. Also, make sure you're in Discord. Links in the chat. Likes, links. Patron, check out the Patron. It's always worth a shot. Always worth a shot. One-on-one mentoring, daily trade setups, TA, macro market analysis, quarterly reviews, all kinds of goodies, small group stuff, Q&As. You gotta catch up on that. Abdullah Malek, what's up, my man? Check my ONG trade. No, I have not checked it. I have not. What's up, Joshua? Joshua Gonzalez. Pest Master. Think you're gonna bounce? We'll take a look. ENJ? Yeah, we can take a look at ENJ. I should have even thrown that in the title. Should have put that in the title. Maybe I'll do that now. Let's put ENJ in. ENJ. Title changed. Alright, yeah, let's look at our past trades. Why not? When in Rome. I love saying that. ONG. OGN. Alright, I better not be disappointed. Better not be disappointed here. It snaked us again. It snaked us again. What? Last stream, I believe, or the one before. Last stream. We were looking for $2 on OGN. Son of a... Are you kidding? It went to $2.01. They're sniping us, boys. They're sniping us. $2.01. Oh well. Still looking for that $3.40 here. Moving averages on the 1 hour look pretty solid. The fact that it touched back to our target, pretty bullish. Man, that sucks. Oh well, wasn't actually in this trade anyway. But this is the second time OGN has snaked us on these entries, man. It didn't give us $1.15. It didn't give us $2. Oh well, don't really matter. What's up, Sharknado? How you doing, brother? Tommaso. Stop using the wicks, but I love the wicks. Wicks are life. What's up, Tom's Diner? What else are we looking at? Good eye there, though. Good eye there, though, Abdullah. That was so close. Hopefully you guys were able to actually pull this trade off. Oh well. That was good, though. That was a good trade. You know what? That's a learning lesson. You can have all the tea in the world, and sometimes price goes to $2.01 instead of $2. What do you do? Maybe you bump up your entry, or you just wait for the next trade. There's always going to be more trades. That is really the only guarantee here. Expect the unexpected, and there's no guaranteed trades. Don't go chasing. Just not go chasing. I wouldn't want to enter now at 283, even if it is going to go to 340. You're chasing it too far up. You missed the entry. That's okay. There's always more trades. Not a big deal. Pest Master, ANKR. Let me take a look. ANKR. Looking decent. 20 cents accomplished. Take a look at our mag diesels. 4 hour waning momentum here. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour pretty much no matter what. That this move in our side of the to what? 27? That's a low. That is a low low. We haven't seen this low in RSI since October, back here, at a fraction of a cent. So, my answer, I'd think so. I would think so. Actually could probably use our fib tool here. I would take this low to our high, 618. Have not quite touched it. May have found support at the 0.5. For me, if I was entering a new trade though, I'd probably be waiting for the 618, sitting at 11.65 cents. Maybe the 12-hour level. More secrets for us. There we go. The 50 coming just in time to save it. Man, it's just so low energy. Just a chilling day, guys. Bitcoin has been ranging forever. Feels like forever. Farley, is this where you parked your car? Probably. Brew Baby, the king is live. Thank you, my friend. Kings all around. Cheers. Monster Energy drink. Cheers. Not brought to you by Monster Energy. Edgar Me. What's up, my man? Moto Mayhem. What's up, brother? Tom Cruise Carown. Cruise Carown. What's up, freaking cherry picking? How you doing, brother? I feel like I only see you in the lives, right? Hang out in Patron chat more. Relaxing Flights is here. James Faulkner. Chad Dickinson, how you doing, bro? Picking Gaz. I sell confidence, not sanctuary. A little bit of both. If you take sanctuary in my confidence, then that's good. Zordak, real trades? Fair enough. Real trades, real TA. How you doing? The beautiful Mala is here gracing us with her presence. Good to see you, darling. Loki, GME, yeah, I don't know. I should pull up GME just so it's not clickbait. It was trending. It's just a trending word. I just threw it in the title. GME, though, actually, not looking bad right off the start. 4-hour bullish divergence on this low. That's a way to start it. 12-hour on this low. Ooh, it's actually kind of spicy. Daily? Does the daily have it? The daily has it too. So GME. GME. Where is this? $1.16. We have bullish divergence on pretty much every single time frame up to the daily. That close though. This close today was not ideal with that daily momentum flipping back to increased selling momentum. Not ideal, especially off that bullish divergence. That's a great setup though. I have a lot of lines here. I was doing something the other day with somebody on a short time frame, so I have a billion freaking lines here. There we go. Don't need most of these. It'll do. But what about the moving averages, you say? What about them? Mana? Sure, bro. We can do mana. Take a look at that mana. The mana to cast our spells, our wizard spells. Our technical analysis wizard spells. We need all of the mana we can get. Okay. Alright, that bullish divergence comes off the 50 daily. You're under the 20. I actually think there's a bullish edge here on the GME. Spicy that. I did not expect to be saying that today. In fact, I didn't expect to look at GME at all. Why are the 12-hour and the daily the same? What? Something's weird with this chart. Whatever. Something's weird with that chart. I don't know. That bullish divergence on your low there, what? March 24th? It's going to be hard to bet against this at this time. You really kind of zoom out, get rid of the noise. This is looking flaggish. It's looking like a flag. Go ape. Go ape. My wonderful, wonderful Wall Street bettors. And just for them, let's just do AMC. That way none of this is clickbait. Battling with $11 resistance. Same bullish divergence. This is weird how similar these two charts look. How similar they look on RSI. That's very odd. Yeah, 4 hour, 12 hour, and I'm sure it's on the daily as well. Yep, there it is. I will say actually AMC a little farther away. A little farther away on the momentum MACD flip here. But at least AMC didn't close with that. I'm gonna call them fake outs, but increased selling momentum on the daily here. So maybe AMC is a slightly more bullish. Interesting. Interessante. Alright, we're done with those. No longer clickbait. What's up, Raymond? Abdullah Malik unlucky. Really great trade. Dude, yeah, that's what TA is, man. We're playing the probabilities. We're not going to catch them all. But thank you, sir, for the kind words of encouragement. Brothers Grimm show, wait for the next bus. Exactly. To quote Rico, it's better to miss the boat than to go down with the Titanic. Crypto Slojo, my man, how are you today? Thanks for the show. Thank you for being here. Topher Lee, my brother. Ethereum trade missed 1925 by $4. I could see that. Yeah, Ethereum just dangling here. Weirdly dangling. What's up, Matthew Trant? How you doing, man? Yep, Ethereum missed mine too. Womp. 1921. What did trade to? 1925, something like that. Womp womp. Still have strong support below. Ethereum's looking fine. I mean, this is ugly, this daily here, but dude, you're gonna have ugly dailies no matter what. Your 20 and your 50 are saying momentum's still moving up. We're not seeing a loss of that yet. It's actually, again, I've been saying this, more bullish than Bitcoin Ethereum right now, in my opinion. You're above the 20, above the 50 on Ethereum daily. Bitcoin's trading below the 20 right now, still above the 50, but do we have a cross, actually? No, we don't have a cross yet. Magical mystery tour. Yes. Yes. Trading below the 20. Therefore, I'll say Ethereum's a little more bullish right now. 54.3. 50 daily moving average sitting at right now. Not bad. 273 watching. What's up, dudes and dudettes? Welcome. Oh, Mana. I almost forgot, bro. Almost forgot. Let me pull that up. Almost 300 watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. We got 104 of them. That's pretty good. That's enough that they won't send the ninjas out. But I think we need like 300 for them to call back the Terminator, so go ahead and smash that button. Do it for great glory. Now let's make a copy and get a USD version going. Man, I was bullish on the man. Probably still am. This is Bitcoin pair, so things are not always what they seem. That's so beast, though. So beast. Broke its downtrend. We have a little monthly resistance here, 1726. Check that weekly. Last week failed to bearish engulf on MANA Bitcoin pair by just a hair. We see this week's candle opening below our monthly resistance. Could be worse. Could be worse. You don't have bearish divergence. That's great. Not a huge fan of this. This is the Bitcoin pair again. Not a huge fan of the way this looks, but let's see. Oof, monster. We were watching MANA for the MACD on the daily to flip, and it faked us out hard with a lower low on MACD. R size coming down. Let's look at it in dollar pair. I prefer the Bitcoin pair. Lets you know if you're actually winning or losing. But sometimes you gotta look at both. Yep, telling a different story here. While we haven't seen selling momentum slow down on MANA yet, it is a higher low still, unlike its Bitcoin pair from the 25th of March till today. So that could be a little more bullish. A little more bullish on the dollar pair than the Bitcoin pair. I would like to see MANA, as everything, get back up above the 20. It's got to get above that 20. Likely just following Bitcoin here with that. Very likely. This is a hard one. So, you know, we talk about support and resistance a lot. Where do we place it here on MANA for the daily? We really don't have a clearly defined reversal point. Yes, we can take this. This is probably going to be the answer. $1.14. Simply because it's the highest point in price where we saw a price reversal. Also because we have this strong green candle. Decent volume there and compared to the average. This is a harder one. When I'm stuck in these situations, the obvious answer is to zoom out. It's always the answer. Here we go, $1.02, also a psychological level $1. We're seeing that from the monthly. Weekly aligns with it well enough. You see the weekly also sniped that daily close. So I think that $1.02 and $1.14, I think those are going to be valid resistances here. But we do have at 81 cents coming in the clutch. Support from the daily. Support from the daily. We see the 50s moving up to meet it as well. Would not surprise me to see MANA trade a little sideways here. A little bit of sideways. Just the right amount. It's this guy right here. Yeah, that's about it there. Interesting, interesting. Weekly with a little selling momentum. We have 4 days left. I have a feeling that these last 4 days are going to get interesting. I don't think that we're going to see this sideways boringness into this weekly close. Really think we're going to see some action. Really do. Really, really do. For now, though, it's looking pretty sideways. I'd like to see MANA back above the 20. So I'm going to place an alert just above that $1.02 area, but I'm also going to counter that with a 75 cent alert as well. And we're going to see which way this breaks. What we can do for Mr. Cherry Pickin' is we can create a measured move. That we can. Sitting at just $2, it's almost too perfect. Almost too perfect. That is the clear next target. Clear next target on a break of $1.25. Preferably, I'd like to see a daily close. Where did this go? Daily close above $1.14, and that's going to take you right up there to that too. So our alerts are set. Not much else to be done here, but thank you for the 420 blaze it, Mr. Cherry Pickin'. It's good to see you, bro. Let me catch up with this chat. How's the chat doing? Champions Leagues. It was because of the news. OGN's gonna be listed on Coinbase. Abdullah, you're my favorite person this stream. I mean, I love everybody too, but so great example. We looked at this chart. We looked at this OGN chart with no concept, no knowledge of any, or at least I didn't. Maybe this was already known. No knowledge of any kind of Coinbase listing. The chart doesn't lie. The chart weirdly knows about the news. And I would argue that the Bitcoin chart's showing us that right meow. We're just waiting for that news. Just waiting. Whoa! Volume's up way too loud.
Can we draw a box on BTC February 20th wick low to body?
Draw the box. Rico S, the man, the legend himself is here. You can do whatever you want, brother. Today's a chart and chill. Much needed chart and chill. So what are we doing? Draw the box on Bitcoin, February 20th. So we're gonna have to be on the daily for that. We're gonna have to get our box tool, rectangulo. Let's turn off this market cipher, guys. We still do have market cipher discount codes in the Discord if you're interested. Not really even chilling it, just might as well get 10% off. We can draw a box on February 20th. Wick low to body. Okay, so February 20th. Wick low. Sir Rico. Identifying support here. Might do it to the body close because I agree with that body close candle. Absolutely. And you can even see I had that 55.7-ish area already mapped out here. I'm assuming. I'm going to check in a second. That you're implying support. What's up, Elixir? Looking sharp today. Thank you, my man. Thank you. SAS Crypto, you got wrecked. I'm sorry to hear that. Alan Robin, how you doing, man? Alan Robin, been here as long as I can remember. As long as I can remember. Good to have everybody hanging out. What about T-Fuel? Let me catch up. Let me catch up here. Chat. Alchemist, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Hi, Tom Slava. I can't pronounce that name, but welcome to all of our Russian friends out there. Video Amazing World Toko Crypto, please. Maybe. Picking gas. Bullish this morning and bullish this afternoon. I try to be bullish twice before lunch every day. Carmela V, how are you doing, darling? Where am I from? I'm from the blockchain. I'm actually not a real person. I'm just an AI hosted on the chain. I exist everywhere in your hearts all around the world. Nebula, can I tell you if you should buy Bitcoin now? I cannot tell you that. While you're at it, who's the next president? The next president is going to be Elon Musk. You heard it here first. Just wait. Hey, Yoon, check out Ethereum. We will. We'll get there. The viral videos. How you doing, man? Powell, CryptoFace, donate to me. Yeah, last stream. I guess that thing didn't reset. Oh well, oh well. STMX, never heard of it. Robert, what's up, man? Ave needs a pump. Sure. Abishk, E-Chain, STMX. It's two Oh, you were the same person twice. Never mind. Rex City, calling all-time highs, a bear market. Nothing's changed around here. Nothing's changed. Eric S. leveraging like an idiot. Use some support. I think it'll go up or down from here. I think a test of that 50 daily is in a definitely probable. 54.3. It's really not that much farther down than here, but it is what it is. Football coins. Vambo. Got your stops. Sorry to hear that, my friend. Mika. ENJ is supposed to be listed on Coinbase as well. Since we added ENJ to the title, might as well look it up. I know it's making some moves today. Making some moves. What's up, Chris Spink? How you doing, man? Picking Gats, it's your birthday today. Well, happy birthday. Picking Gats. How you doing? Hope you have a great birthday. Much hype now. Read the charts, not your heart. Is there hype? I'm not detecting any hype. Let's see. ENJ backtested our $2 support. Tested $2.61 resistance, and now seems to be settling back into its range, just about 250. A little lightsaber candle there. Daily on ENJ gonna be flashing some bullish divergence here with the lower RSI low. Very nice. Daily MACD closing at this price would suggest waning selling momentum here. Is that true on the 12? Doubt. True on the 12 as well. Interesting. So this is going to be a pretty spicy close for ENJ. It has the potential to really set its chart up nicely with that test to $2, flushing out new long positions. They can close a bullish engulf on the daily after that. That's gonna be interesting. What was our next target here? $5? Yeah. If it closes a daily bullish engulfing candle, still won't be able to say 3 yet. I'd like to see it close over 261 on the daily first. Then 3 is a target. You break 3, you're going for 5. And that's how numbers work. What's up, Haska-san? No notification again? YouTube doesn't really send out notifications for us. It doesn't really show us in search. So very important to be in the Discord. Link is in the chat. You will get an alert on Discord if you have your alerts, your notifications enabled. Rico said, what's up, Autist Audie and Bradley Power and Joan Desuch. 23% loss. Oh, sorry. Been support and resistance on many candles. Market respects it. And so will I. Just drew my bottom of the box to the wick of the 20th. Yeah, Rico, that's solid. It's some people would argue that's a really big range. Well, that's how Bitcoin works. Especially once we're up in these big numbers. It's really a 10% range. We have the 50 daily sitting in there. I believe we're actually under the Ichi, TK, and KJ. That's not great. Not great. We are well above the cloud, so we're not in danger of losing the trend yet. Or at this point, not yet. We see the flat cloud on the daily flattening out over here in early May at 52.50. We did have that happen here in March, and price didn't test it, so maybe we're seeing a repeat of that. Unusual, though. Unusual for a cloud on the daily to be this flat and not be tested. Technically, today is the last day that it could do so to satisfy it. Odds are not very good at 41.5, 43.5, not very good. Lego, you're a crypto kitty. Thank you, Meng. Where is Crypto Face? I think Crypto Face is buying his sister a car. I think he's buying his sister a car. We were gaming on League a few nights ago. That was a good time. He's a good League player, probably better than I am. Creepy Joe's the president, he says. Yep, true that. True that. Are we at the bottom? Picking Gaz, man, if you're gonna guess a president, next president, Elon's a good guess. I'd put about Tree Fitty on it. Kenny Brands, I'm a living NFT, true that. Chua, how you doing, bro? Eric Maguera. Didn't do a higher high in the daily? Did not. Did not. True. Oliver Strong looking at ORN. Chris Spank, we looked at ANKR. It's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad with that daily 20. It's looking to close above it. We could get a bounce back to that 20-cent area. Pretty easy peasies. We don't have a measured move. Well, I don't know if this is the bottom of ANKR, so technically we shouldn't use this tool yet. It's close enough to the 618.
Nah, you misunderstood me. I drew a box from the body of the 20th to the wick low much tighter range also came 2024.
Ooh. I misunderstood. Draw a box from the body of the 20th to the wick low. Kanye 2024. Rico, we're putting all of our honor on it. I'm betting Elon, you're betting Kanye. And if we're both wrong, then we drink about it. All right. From the box, I drew the box from the body of the 20th here. That's the 19th. Whoops. Womp womp. To the wick low. That is a much tighter range. You are correct. That's actually a much better range even, to be honest. But I would have taken it from down here as well. I would have. I would have taken it from here. Either way. It is a much tighter range. We can see pretty clearly price interacting here. Found support. Found support. Found resistance. Found resistance. Are we finding support again? Could be. I think that's a solid place to be looking. And there it is. This is really my only nuance is the 50 has to be in there. That's pretty much it. Rico's got a good eye. It's good to have you back, brother. We all missed you. Everybody. Me, just specifically me. And I'm going to speak for everybody else there. I missed you, man. It's good to have you back. Nishant N. Vitho. We can look at Vitho. I've heard a few requests. Stefan, welcome to the roller coaster. This is Bitcoin Life, my mang. Musk is from a vixen's butt. A female fox. Fun facts here on the Tom Crown Crypto channel. What's up, Joel Miller? How you doing, my man? Thank you for your wisdom. Well, someone's got to do it. Doesn't seem like many of the other creators are interested in making calm content. Brother Jaw, how you doing, man? Sitting in the waiting room, stopping by to show the love. Smash the like for Tom, join the Discord, be a boss. True that. True that, Jaw. Hopefully you're still listening. I'm not sure. If you are. Even if you're not, everybody send your good energies and your prayers for our brother Jaw. Please. If you don't have to donate, you don't have to join Patreon, you don't even have to subscribe or like. Just send your energy. Send your prayers towards to our bro Jaw. He's battling with some stuff. I don't want to give away his stuff, but he's battling with some health things, and we have enough good energy, enough good vibes in here. I think that it will do him some good if we send it that way. So please do that as a favor to me. You guys are the best. Let's see. Aska95, how you doing, man? Token Dodo. Dude, that's a great question, Token. Me and Gavin, I don't know where Gavin is. Where are you at, Gavin? We were actually talking about this earlier today. Essentially, the interaction of OTC, coins leaving exchange. We saw the largest value of Bitcoin leave exchanges yesterday. It was a net flow of 80,000 Bitcoin, which is, I think, about 3 billion worth. I think 100 maybe was taken off, but net 80, so like 20 was put on. But price is still not mooning. We were talking about this. Don't really have an answer outside of someone, group, or unconsciously, a set of actors keeping the price down. Imagine what we haven't really seen this kind of exodus of capital before. It's hard to think with all of this capital gone. Like, it just blows my mind. It's like the liquidity's gone, but price isn't really responding. It doesn't logically make sense. So my only kind of solution or explanation, someone's accumulating.
Good dude. And all the crew.
Picking Gats, good dude. You're a good dude. Thank you, man, for the 5. Also, Rico, thank you for the 20 euros. I forgot to thank you, but the thanks is always in my heart. Yeah, that's my only real explanation. Keeping price down. We're seeing higher lows. It's not as if this chart has become bearish. It's weird to think that Bitcoin was ever able to run with all of these coins on exchange. Period. That's kind of the conversation we were having. Ian Claire, what's worse, Holden Link or Chinese water torture? Man, I don't know. I've still got some Link, but man, Link had its time in the sun. It could return. I don't know. It had a really impressive run over the last 3 years. What's up, DB? Gonna see more droppage here? We could. 50 moving average on the daily would not in any way surprise me. Not in any way. That's 54.3. 54.3, I can see that. What's up, J-Rod? Yo, Dino Mike. For Sir Dino Mike, we can look at CELR. Absolutely. For Sir Dino Mike. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. I have no idea what this chart is about to show. Interesting. What was I looking at? I guess last time I was looking at this, it was at 0.005 cents. Okay. Well, let's take a look at the macros here. Right at the 1414 at 10 cents. Virtually a perfect touch. Let's see. 69 cents. Nice for a measured move on this macro. And the 1618, the level that lots of coins are battling with, at 20 cents. CLR lost its 20 daily yesterday, is reaching down. Daily is not showing any signs of momentum. slowing to the downside. However, importantly, very importantly, RSI is showing a setup for bullish divergence. RSI has plummeted below the levels in February, almost all the way back to December levels. So we are going to have bullish divergence here unless this trades lower than 1.3 cents. Anything above 1.3 cents and CLR is going to have daily bull div. Let's check out if we have any levels here. 0.71 on the month. Might as well mark this one too. Nice, nice. Not a lot here, to be honest. Interesting. This has really gone one direction fast. 3 cents for the 61837. Weekly, RSI is good. No bearish divergence there. First week of waning momentum. We're seeing this everywhere. Something about it's not convincing to me. I'm just not convinced by it. I'll let you know when I am. I'll let you know. I'm looking for a test on CLR of just about 5 cents. The 50 daily. 50 daily. We see the 200 daily coming up to this monthly support at 1.7 cents. Wow, that is like a 90% retrace. Dude, these coins, when they pump, man, they get ridiculous. Let's try this retrace again here. $618 retrace at the 100 daily. That's just about 3 cents. I would look for the 50. 50 on the daily. If you lose that, then we're looking at 3 cents here for the 618 retrace. And the 100 daily, I just don't see that being the probable move right now. That I do not. Let's do some hopium because we just did some fudium. Let's assume it hits that 50. Where are we looking? Actually, let's not. There we go. Look at this. We don't know if this is the bottom. In fact, the daily is suggesting it isn't. Saying, hey, you haven't slowed down a momentum at this point. You're painting bullish divergence, but you don't know. You don't know where it's going to stop. The interesting takeaway here is our fib tool connecting our swing high to our potential swing low. This isn't concrete yet. Our measured move. Our measured move lines up with our 1618. 1618 fib extension from our major swing high to major swing low. That would be unquestionably the next upside target. Unquestionably. Where does this bounce? We don't know yet. The 50, probably a good spot to look. Could have already. This fib extension fits really well. I like that. I like. See if the 12 hour is anything for us. Nothing at all. Ugh. Ugh. Same bullish divergence on RSI. Although we see the RSI is starting to point back up. That's the first sign of potential. This is a knife. By all means, this is a knife. That's okay. If you're already in it, already taking profit, you're in it, I'd be looking for 20 cents. We don't have the signs yet though, so if you're not in it, this is really just catch a knife. Would not recommend it. Wow, this chat. By the time we get done with the chart, there's 800 messages. What's up, Mirax? It's Zach FPS. Like that's straight up. Many creators going nuts, but it's calming to watch you and just realizing it's all still good. Zach FPS, couldn't have put it better myself. Couldn't have put it better myself, man. If I have one thing to say here today, is that it's all still good. I'm not worried. Even 1 out of 10, I'm not worried. On the worry scale, on the Tom Crown worry scale, if I'm at a 1, maybe I'm at a 1. Oh gosh. OGN, man. This is gonna troll me. For like the next week, this is gonna troll me. We did this live, last stream. We were looking for $2, and the market makers stole it from us. They stole it from us, dude. Look at this bull. Look at this malarkey. 1 cent. Within 1 cent. How much BS is that? You tell me. You tell me, sir. This is the 5-minute. Don't get super excited. But this is... Oof. Ooh, buddy. 5-minute looks spicy AF here on Market Cypher. Interesting. We may see a move. We may see a move on OGN again. This is potentially lining up to just be flaggish and consolidating. But man, that 5-minute is beckoning for a little more upside here on the OGN. Pretty cool. Hey, congrats, I appreciate you, Ming. What's up, J0909? Aeon is going places. I haven't seen Aeon. No one's requested Aeon in a while. The Daydream Band. You were checking on the outflow charts. I've been watching them too. What did I just say? What did I just say? We might just keep this up for a little bit. 2 to 4 days before huge pump. I haven't put that connection together, but I believe it. I believe it. A little lag time, something like that. Carlos Aguilar. Come here every day. Love to chill. Listen. You're the best dude. Learn a lot of minuscule things about TA. Thank you, my friend. I'm glad that you are benefiting, getting some value. Heather, not sending a prayer, sending out good pagan vibes. Heather, just any kind of good energy is very appreciated. Very appreciated. I see a lot of people saying good stuff. Sending Ja your energy. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Definitely needs it. What's up, T. Powell? Nishant, and welcome back. Connor Tomas. Whoa, what was that? Tony A. Uh-oh, we might get a train of these. Tony A, Luis, and Tovisi. Subscribe. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Welcome to the fam. YouTube almost never alerts us anymore when we get subscribers. It's like a platform-wide thing, but here we go. I guess we have the chosen ones. Subscribe now, and maybe you will also randomly get announced. I have no idea what makes them go through sometimes and what doesn't make them go through 99% of the time. Not a clue. There it is. There it is. Thanks for subscribing. Good to have everybody in the fam. If you haven't subscribed yet, please. We recently hit 30,000 subscribers, up from, I want to say 3 months ago, we were at 15. Something like that. So it's great to have so many people interested supporting the channel. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. We're here a lot. Come chill. When everyone else is in chaos, we're just here chilling. We missed you more, Rico. Michael Fuentes. Michael Fountain. BTC making a move. Welcome, Michael Fountain. Julia Schott. Tom is my favorite live crypto ASMR. Accurate. We're a dual purpose channel. Rico Hype. Nebula. Rico Hype. Wait, Nebula.
You're always putting on a good show, Tom. Can you check AUDIUS, please?
AUDIUS. Nebula, I didn't even recognize your name, man, because... AUDIUS. Is that audio? Or is that its own thing? AUDIUS. Man, another target hit. Well, we'll see if AUDIUS is one. DS. AUDIUS is its own thing. Only traded on Uniswap, you guys know. Those are my favorite. FTX and HitBTC. So what's going to be the best chart? Clearly not HitBTC. It never is. There we go, FTX. Wait, this is the same chart. So it's audio is also AUDIUS. That's confusing at best. Yeah. But we can check it here. Virtually the entire market seemingly below the 20 today, except for Ethereum. That's why I'm favoring kind of giving the edge there to Ethereum more so than others. One of the only coins we see in dollar pair above the 20 daily. AUDIUS, no exception. Travis Sullivan, scared money don't make no money. Timothy Ortel. What's up, David Hulsman? Cosmic Optimal Stimulate Consensus. Lita 999, bearish pennant on the 4 hour. Bearish pennant. So there's definitely no bear flag. Pennants aren't necessarily catching up. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Alan? Alan R, my man. Pop Not Soda, I like that name. Like a central. What's up, dudes and dudettes? Aaron Rowley. It is really difficult for me to navigate this live chat. Constantly is like refreshing and resetting. Yellow Water Cup. I like that name too. Crypto Man 5001. Daniel Rao, so relaxing compared to others. Other YouTubers talking about bear market with their thumbnails. I'll let you guys in on a little secret here. If you weren't around for the bear market, that's okay. Everybody has their time. Everyone was always bearish through the years. Everyone was bearish in October last year. We were not. All the other YouTubers were bearish. I'm sure there's exceptions. Benjamin Cohen, I know, spotted the 20 weekly with me, actually. We spotted on the same day. But that's how it's always going to be, guys. All the YouTubers are going to be saying one thing. I'm probably going to be saying the other thing. Time will tell who's right. We'll see. Asphalt Knot wasn't Litecoin 240 yesterday. Actually, I don't know. Mr. Allen, I'm looking for... Is this AUDIUS? I don't see. You didn't say anything afterwards. What's up, LNS? How you doing, darling? Man, we got some crypto divas up in the house. Right on. Love it. And is reasonable. He's an intelligent guy. Julie Brain Lady Anderson, one of my favorite crypto divas. Take a look at MedBTC, sure. Okay. Thank you, Ellen. Yeah, Julie the Brain Lady. Let me do this. Pull it up. Ed, M-E-D. But I'm going to do the audios for Mr. Allen. I love you, darling. I love everyone here. You guys are all the best. LNS, I love you. Blue Zone, I love you. LNR, you know I love you, brother. Motivated for truth, yes, even you, my friend. I love you all. JP, what's up, Meng? Thoughts on Sushi Swap? I haven't really thought about Sushi Swap. Nebula, that is the most intelligent thing I've heard all day. Right on, dude. Good on you for being able to just recognize it and take action, man. That takes courage and it takes self-control. Rare combination. So well played, my friend. AUDIUS. Currently has traded to the 618 retracement at $2.15 on the daily, below the 20. That's the only thing holding this back, man. You have bullish divergence on your daily low here. That bullish divergence is going to stay intact above like 36 cents. Not really in danger of that at the moment. Not really in danger of 36 cents at the moment. So what we can say here is yes, we will. Yes, we will see bullish divergence. We don't know when, though. We could easily see it bounce here. 618 retrace. We look for bounces. Our Q is going to be the close above the 20 daily. It was just lost. That'll be our Q. $2.66 as of right now. Close above the 20 daily, I would be looking for 444. Retest of the high, just I guess $5 as well, Wick. You have support below at $1.88. That was our measured move. Acted as resistance. Maybe coming back to test it as support. Somehow, I doubt it though. Something about this doesn't ring that tune for me as that being the support that holds. I think 215 is pretty likely. Below that, I'd be looking for the 50 daily. And below that, the 100 down at about $1. I don't think that this is probable either. I think there's a pretty good chance of a bounce here. I think there's a pretty good chance. However, in my opinion, no new trade should be taken until close above the 20. You're back in trend.
What's good, Tom? Anyway, you can take a peep at CKB. Appreciate it as always.
Love in the chat. Love to all crypto fan. Bam. What's up, Aaron Rally? Thanks for the 5, my dude. CKB. Yeah, we can get after CKB after med. I'm pretty much done on audio. I do kind of want to peep some of these other time frames quick. Daily in the same condition as virtually everything. Just seeing downside momentum, but what goes up must come down, and vice versa. RSI on the weekly is actually pretty spicy. The last RSI low was 32 cents. That's the exact same point that we pointed out. Pretty sure. On the daily. So we have daily and bullish divergence looking to form potentially at the same low. That's a spicy. We're not really going to be able to find much support because we really just have green candles here. And I know no one loves it, but we're going to have a little bit of a weekly resistance sitting here at 338. Let's just peep it on the monthly as well. 317. That combination of closes made it pretty choppy. But looking at this chart, a little red makes sense. According to this, it has only gone up. Nothing only goes up forever, so not too worrying. 215, man, that might be it. I like this RSI on this low time frame on the hour here. These multiple hits to oversold, likely translating out, dragging down other time frames. Bam, there it is. Oh, buddy. 4-hour lowest RSI low ever. Didn't quite reach the 200. I'm getting more bullish on this guy. It's a clean 618. Bullish divergence out the wazoo. The wazoo. Retake that 20. That's all I gotta say. Retake that 20.
XRP people acting like they won the case and for some reason are willing to buy it higher. During sec risk than before sec risk. Good job XRP boys. Solid way of valuing. 10 out of 10 would. Bankrupt again.
Mr. Rico. Right? I will say, pleasant surprise. Oh, by the way, ENJ, look at this cat. Back up. Defended the bullish engulf. Back to resistance. This is a huge fake out. This has stopped so many positions. This could really go for a good close here, ENJ, on the daily. Above 261, and you're setting yourself up for just ridiculous gains. Redunculous gains. Just from 260 to 3, it's a solid 17%. If it's able to be rid all the way up to $5.90, $5 would be 90% gain. We're going to watch these candle daily closes. You're above the 20. ENJ catching my attention unexpectedly, actually. All right, we're going to look at med for the brain lady, Julie, the wonderful Julie. Med BT Cecils. I like what I see already. You're above the 20. See a little wick down there, hasn't quite tested it. That's nice. That is nice. Defend that 20 and this thing has every reason to go up. Every reason. Let's plot out our course here before we get too excited. Support at 16 sats. Resistance at 433. Julie, how long have you been in on this? Did you get some crazy gain on this and you're holding out on me? Holding out? Keeping all them secret coins? It's okay, I love you. 56, 50 to 50, let's say 55 usually is the call. That is an ugly wick on the monthly, I'll tell you what. That is an ugly wick on the monthly. But the monthly ain't over, baby. It is not over. Alright, let's check this out. 786, that is a deep retracement. That's not super bullish. However, in the larger time frame, or the larger retrace from the bottom to the top, we see that this is roughly the 618. A bounce from 230 would be not bad. Not bad. That lines up, I'm guessing, very, very tightly. I'm guessing. There it is. There it is. Sometimes it's magic the way charts work, dudes. 230, 229. We have the 20 daily, and we have the 618. This is a spicy setup. Spicy, spicy.
BTC seems to be turning upwards on the 3 and 4 hours on market side for thoughts. You are very different YouTuber, much more calm. Appreciate your help.
What's up, Mr. Fuentes? ¿Qué pasa? Sorry, I don't even know if you speak Spanish, like if you're Spanish or speak Spanish. I just know that Fuentes means fountain. Yeah, dude. We've been here 2 years-ish. Nah, not quite 2 years. This is what we do. We do realistic takes on TA. We don't do hype, FUD. We don't do shock icons with 800 emojis. I do occasionally throw in some goofy emojis. That's not what we're about. We're about the TA, man. Med looks great, Julie. Looks great. I don't know where you found this thing, but it looks freaking nice. You get a bounce from 229 sats. Buddy. That is a spicy tamale. That is a spicy. I don't know what else to say about it. It is interesting. See the 4 hour consolidating just above that level. Market Cipher giving us the dot. 4 hour momentum waning off. This coin looks really good, man. I dig it, Julie. Cool coin. Cool. Cool. Alright. Rico. XRP people acting like they won the case and for some reason are willing to buy it higher during... Yeah, that's totally accurate. 10 out of 10 would bankrupt again. That's totally accurate. No case was won. Discovery was granted, which means this is actually a surprise. That's a pleasant surprise. Let me see, Michael Fuentes 3 and 4 hour. This is a pleasant surprise. I'll tell you why. Let's go to the 4 first. Discovery simply means they have to hand over documents, information. They have to hand over essentially their case to the defense. So the defense can create some kind of plan. Something about US law. You're supposed to know why you're being charged and what evidence is against you, etc. So Discovery is in no way winning a case. It is gaining information. It is a positive thing. If you weren't granted Discovery, then you probably don't have any case. The kind of plot twist here, it's going to turn out to probably benefit all of crypto, actually, is that now the SEC is forced, they're forced, they have no choice, they've been ordered to hand over, and I'm no legal expert, guys, this is my understanding, and I'm sure someone can explain it better, but they're forced to hand over essentially their thoughts on the case. And this is pertaining to Bitcoin and Ethereum as to why they are not deemed securities. So here's what can happen as the unexpected surprise. We may get clarity directly from the SEC on crypto from this discovery. That is a big win for crypto. Is it a big win for Ripple? Not really, no. But it's a huge win for crypto, so I'm pleased on that news. I dig it. That could be big. Be very big. Clarity is what we're lacking here. We've been lacking. We've been crack-a-lacking. Alright, so Mr. Fuentes. 3 and 4 hour on Market Cipher. Turning up on the 3 and 4 hour. Not seeing it on the 4 hour here. Not yet. 3 hour... Okay, I see what you're saying. We got a dot on the 3 hour. Potentially we have waning momentum here. Here's the problem Michael, is we just got both of these signals, okay? Market Cipher saying, hey, whatever, look here. MACD giving us a waning selling momentum candle. Here's the issue is this is a 3-hour candle. It has 2 hours and 43 minutes to go. We can't even look at this candle. When it comes to TA, we can't even consider it. What is it? About a tenth of the candle has passed, so these are unlikely to be confident. We need to see this candle close in this condition, and then I would agree with you. I would agree that things are looking pretty decent there. But as is, you have a lower low on your VWAP here on the 3-hour. You failed to move back to positive. You have a lower low on your momentum. Yes, it is pinching. Yes, you have the green dot. But this candle is too undecided. Too undecided. If we start seeing it run, make up all this ground, maybe back to 57.1, it could get a little more convincing. But at this point, we saw this before, and this is actually even closed, so this was confirmed. None of this is confirmed yet. I'm on your side, man. I want it to be. But I'm not going to cook the chicken until the temperature's done. Something like that. On the 4-hour, let's see. We don't even have that signal. We don't even have that sign here. On the 4-hour, same condition. We have a lower low on our VWAP, lower low on oscillators. We don't have a pinching. It is a higher low versus March. But we see our money flow. This is what's troubling, at least in the short term. See, our money flow has just moved to negative. Just moved to negative. I will say that this does happen a lot when you see these big, strong reversals. You'll see a dip into the negative before blasting off, but we don't have that yet. VWAP, lower low, oscillator, lower low. There's very little bullish here on the 4-hour at least. Ooh, the 1-hour RSI is moved above. What's this? Moved above the Stoch RSI. Interesting. Typically, we do see buying when that happens. This is on the 1-hour, though. Fortunately, pretty similar condition. We have a lower low. And we do technically have a higher low on the hour and a higher low on VWAP. So the hourly may be showing us the start of something bullish. But I don't see it on the 3 or the 4-hour yet. What I'd like to see is this hour continue up. I want to see a higher high on our VWAP. On our VWAP. And then things can start looking pretty good. As I just kind of pointed out on the 4-hour, that flip. We saw that back here. So we have maybe the start. We see that, I think, better on the MACD. We see waning selling momentum. Waning selling. We have bullish divergence on our lows here on the hourly. We have a higher low in RSI and a lower low in price. So we're actually seeing multiple potentially bullish signs on the hourly. But it just doesn't translate out to the 3 and the 4-hour yet. So I'd look to the 2-hour. We see same condition as the 3. You got the pinch, you got the dot. This actually looks somewhat more bullish. You still have a lower low in your oscillator momentum. But you finally have that higher low in VWAP. This could, I mean, this has a higher probability than, let's say, any random given point earlier of reversal here. It does. Mostly from the hourly. Looking at the hourly, that's really where I see it. But the hourly can give us every reversal sign in the world, and it cannot happen. It can just putter out. I'm going to need to see some significant upside. Let's see. Actually, the 6-hour says we don't need that much upside. 2 hours and 40 minutes to go. We want to see 56.3 retaken. That's looking very likely, considering we're at 56.27. 12. This is where it's ugly, man. Rejection. 25 MA daily, 50 MA. The MA 12-hour. Actually, it's the same point. 56.3. 56.3 to close this 12, and you have yourself a doji. Little dragonfly. That could be a reversal. Start a reversal on the 12-hour. 6-hour, same point. So there we go. We have a most important value, at least for the next 2 hours, 38 minutes here. For me, I want this daily above 56.7. That's 1%. This is 1% to the upside. To close above the 20 daily. Been saying it about everything. If we see Bitcoin do this, we're likely going to see all these alts that we've looked at today do the same. That'll be a bullish close. We had a pretty bearish close yesterday if you're a patron. You saw that daily close update. We closed just in the bearish territory. It's all the downside. Broke through our targets, but pretty close. Pretty close bounce to the daily Kaijun. This is kind of a random spot. But yeah, that was a really long explanation. But we got through it. What's up, Steve? How you doing, brother Steve? Sorry, I don't shout you out enough, Steve. You do so much. I love you, man. The love day. Everybody spread the love. Spread it around. Continue to spread the love. Evo Kiwi. What's up, dude? Dalton Creech. 3 angles sloping upward on the Bitcoin 7 hour. Interesting. Motivated for truth. DMX still in crit. Oh, sorry to hear that. Let's pray for DMX as well then. Send our good energy out. That could be any kind of any format you want. Doesn't matter.
Tom, we have to touch the 1,440 mega amperes. We're going to 11K. It's all over. We have touched it every year, not 2016, but twice in 2015 to make up for it.
I love you, Gavin. Gavin, be nice. Be nice, man. Thank you for the 25, dude. That's an inside joke. Probably only the patrons will get it. I was wondering where you were. I was wondering. What's up, Michelle? Hiya, and thank you as well. Yeah, I don't wish anybody any negativity. It seems we got some bots. Icon bots. Are they icon bots? Endow bots. Ooh, I see Vesemir's here. I haven't seen him talk, but I see him taking out them bots left and right. Jeez, where do they all come from? What's up, Kantoino? Yeah, just ban them. It's a problem. It's really hard to... It's really hard, and there's very little incentive to get rid of bots when you're a streaming platform. You get paid based on views and activity and accounts. So there's not much incentive. Endry Castrillion. Dump is over, maybe. What's up, Justin Machek? What's good from Oklahoma? 420 in Oklahoma. You know what to do. The Witcher. The Witcher. Damien C. Sam. Jordy. The chat is as model as crypto. I dig it. Oh my god. I will say this, guys. Don't pretend to be a bot right now, because you'll probably get banned. Harry Lawson, great stuff. Cheers to you, my friend. Justin, yes, it is. It is an S-Coin. What's up, Don Pratt? Khalid Saud Al-Azmi. What do I think of XRP? I think it rallied on the SEC news. Our next target on XRP is $2. I think that's reasonable for this year. Probably higher. If it makes it to 2. Probably gonna go higher. I think that's reasonable. What's up, potatoes? Bro tip. How you doing, man? Been a while. We're just having a chill stream. Joe up S and JP. Do I think he'll go to 54? I went to 55.3. That's like 2.5% away. Pretty close. Pretty close. Pretends to be a bot. Oh, but you heard him, guys. You heard Rex City. He's pretending to be a bot. Get him. Right now, potatoes. What's up with Visa and USDC? I don't know. I think they're using it for settlement, right? Some of it. There's that 1 hour bully divergence playing out. Close this here, and I'm gonna guess that even the 4 hour would say this isn't bad. There it is, 4 hour now saying waning momentum. We didn't have it before. Hit me with the captcha. Right on. Hit me with your best captcha. Dude, I hate captchas. It's not because I'm a bot. I hate them. They make you do like 7 iterations of it. Like over and over again. And it's like, dude, just let me be me. And then after all that, after you've solved 20 captchas where there's like arguably fire extinguishers or traffic signs and half of them not. One of them it's in the distance. Then you just like typed your password wrong anyway and so you have to do it again. Because it's like, thanks for solving that, but you typed in your password wrong. So now do it again. Because you might have gotten up from your chair and had a bot take over during that time period. So you gotta check again. I hate captchas. Not a bot. Not a bot. Moving averages. Vitho, Mang. What is Vitho doing? Not too many. Not too many is the answer. Our target of 2.1 cents miraculously was hit off of this little cuppy handle. Little cuppy handle. You got support at 1 cent. You got local daily support at 1.3 cents. Looks like today tested it. It is under the 20 daily. That's not great. We can see it rejected from it today. Rejected from that 20 day. Not ideal. Not the end of the world, but not ideal. Yeah, we're right there. Need to get back on top of that. Need to get back on top. Ooh, I like that MACD though. You can see the selling is really waning off here. Even the impulses are getting smaller. Same can be said with buying though. Same can be said. Not much of an edge. Not much of an edge. Let's see our retrace. Maybe that'll give us some guidance. 618 retrace lines up really, really well with this daily local support at 1.4 cents. Likely there is a trade for a talented, knowledgeable trader to be made here using that. Likely. I will say, I like this. I like this consolidation. I like that it's downward sloping, similar to its previous consolidation. This looks like it'd probably be more rounded bottom, though. I don't really have an edge for you. I think it's going to trade sideways for a bit. Wompity womp. Ooh, did we call the bottom on CELR? Did we do it live here? Did we call the bottom? Find out next time. ENJ, are all of like our in-stream things coming true now? ENJ is back up above daily resistance or weekly. CLR may have reversed exactly where we were looking. Ooh, I better go buy lotto tickets, man. Today I might be on fire. Even MANA's picking back up here. That daily support. Dude, the TA is being respected hard. Hard. OGN, our 5-minute call. We've seen continuation. TA in the 5-minute getting continuation. That's just luck. That's not even skill. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me, ONG. OGN. I'm dyslexic. Even though you didn't fill my freaking trade by 1 cent, I still forgive you. Still forgive you. Audio has not moved. That's 618. Med hasn't moved either. ANKR looking to close above the 20 daily. That's
Today
good
for
news.
the Bitcoin price, 1440 MA will be tested as it has every other year. 13,000, here we come.
Gavin, we spend too much time together, my friend. In a good way. Well, you know what? We started the episode with GME and AMC. They were both looking kind of bully. We're on fire. If history serves, man, that could be good news for GME and AMC. I get a taste of that bullish blood. Tends to be real. We legit may have called this bottom on CLR, like right here, live. The only reason was that, wasn't it the two? Yeah, our two measure move lined up perfectly with our macro 1618, and it's just too clean to be coincidence. It's too clean. Too many clean. I'd like to see Bitcoin put a little more fire under its tush here, as the 1 hour looks to flip to buying momentum, the 2 hour just showing signs of weakness, along with the 3, the 4, not the 5 yet. So the 5 is the stickler. 5 wants 50, 6, 7. Let's do a little practice, a little TA practice here. Everybody clear your minds. Clear your souls. Does this look bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? Think deep in your souls, in your heart of hearts. Bullish or bearish? Clear your soul. What's up, E. Torres? What's up, my dude? Guillermo. Bearish. Looks bearish. Renee Montenegro. Whoa, my dude. Where? That's a name from the past. How have you been? What have you been up to? Tell us your life story right now. It's good to see you, man. I love when people that we haven't seen in a while pop by. Pop back in. You guys, taking breaks from crypto is healthy. Please never be afraid to. In fact, I encourage you to do so at some point. Take a break. Just walk away. Chart will be there. Coins will be there. But you're always welcome back here. We're going to leave the light on. We'll be here. In Colombia. Ooh, I've heard good things about Colombia, dude. Nice. Right on. Sergi, how you doing, man? So relaxing. This is the Bitcoin Zen. This is the peak of technical analysis, the Bitcoin Zen. You'll see. If you ever meet a whale, big old Bitcoin whale, you'll have your second taste of the Zen. Very rare. Luis Sampio, what's up, dude? We'll leave the light on like Motel 6. Eek Myth. Bloody means buy. I like that mindset. Hack 12. We've looked at ENJ multiple times today, actually. Multiple times. Multi. Pishta. Hey, Pishta. I remember Pishta, unless that was a different Pishta. I'm sure that's a name that more people have. Pishta was one of our patrons, actually. Jeremy Ragsdale. How you doing, Mr. Dale? Mr. Ragsdale? Ooh, my stomach starting to hurt. Pushavir Chima. I appreciate you, Oscar. Positive vibes, great TA. You know what? Me and CryptoFace are my favorite YouTubers as well. So we agree. What's up, brah? Paperbound. C5 Dave, cheaper than therapy. Yeah. We don't take health insurance. Don't take it here. What's up, Edward Park? Dave-O, Microwave-O. Dude, everybody's coming back today. What's going on? We have 500 watching. Might as well do a quick shill. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the stream yet, please do so now. Helps YouTube to encourage others, or I don't know, encourages YouTube to show our videos to other people when you like and subscribe during the live stream, so I appreciate it. Make sure you're in the Discord. YouTube never sends out notifications, it seems, for our live streams, so you'll never know we're live. But if you're in Discord, you'll always get an alert. There's also 24/7 live stream there, free educational content, chat. Really just the best way to keep up the stream, so keep it up.
Technical analysis on the 1440 megaamperes, please. I am very worried. I think we are going to 11K.
Gavin the Savage. I almost said Sav. I almost tried to combine them. It didn't work. Savaged. Gav Savaged. Finish the shill. Patron. Check out the Patron, guys. It's still early in the month. Still a great time to sign up. We've had a lot of interest. I believe there is actually another one-on-one slot open. Haven't told anybody. It's a secret. Might be there when you go there, might not. But Patron, daily, TA, trade setup, macro market analysis, private chat, small group, seminar, Q&A, patron night, just all kinds of goodies. Access to me, just to myself. Check it out. Check it out after the show. Check it out now. I don't care. If you were debating it, don't wait. Patron charges on the 1st of the month. So if you wait to sign up, I don't know, for a few days, you're just wasting part of your payment for the month. Signing up earlier is better. I haven't been chilling it much. I think it's because we have a lot. We have a lot of patrons. We're becoming more exclusive now. More exclusive group. Check it out, check it out. I don't know. What are you guys feeling? We had 1,000 viewers there. Now we're down to 500. Oh well. Pretty low vibes, though. We may have spotted the old Bitcoin reversal. The CELR reversal. It's possible. We'll see. ENJ. Looking for that close above 261. Speaking of ENJ, I should put that up for the patrons in the Patron room. You know what? I'll just show you guys. Here's a little perk. Here's a perk. This is an undiscussed perk of the patron group. In our Discord, unofficial trade setups, you have access to dozens and dozens of shareable charts. Dozens. We take requests pretty much anytime a patron wants me to add one, I add one. So we've collected quite an assortment of my original charts. Shared. Look at them on your own time. That's good value. I should market that. Should market. 100k subs soon. All right. Deep pumps.
Can you check out ANKR? USD thanks Tom, you the Panama City man.
Panama City man. I want to go back. Take me back. Take me back to Panama City, man. We looked at ANKR a good amount. A good amount today, I will say. We were looking for 11.65 cents. That's the 620 retrace. Lines up. I can't remember what I was saying. You have to rewind. We said a lot of stuff about it. Definitely going to have bullish divergence on the 4 hour. You have waiting, selling momentum on the 4 hour. ANKR looks good. We haven't gotten that definitive bounce yet, though, in my opinion. Have we? This is what we're looking for. A close above the 20. It's also above 13 cents. I think that's from the... I can't remember where that's from now. I have chart fatigue. Brain chart fatigue. That's our 0.5. So ANKR looks great if it can close above 13.2 cents above the 20 daily. That's going to set it up for a retest. A retest. Of at least, in my opinion, 17.3, if not the high at 20. Break that. I'm looking for 39 cents as the measure move. Closing above that 20 daily moving average would be phenomenal. We're seeing many coins battling with it today. I really can't remember what I was saying about it outside of that. It's all recorded. Deep pumps, I love you, man. I feel like you always come in and request something that we've done like within the last 30 minutes. Love you though. My man. Oh yeah, I was putting ENJ in there, wasn't does feel like the hype is dying down a little bit. If there really was any to begin with, that's okay. It's okay. And it's getting late. Getting late. Not really, but late enough.
See you next week for the one-on-one. Looking forward to it.
My dude David. Looking forward to it as well, my friend. To it. Thank you for the 10. Sharknado, thank you for the 2. I don't know if you meant to do that, but thank you for the 2 as well. Yeah, the one-on-ones are by far my favorite thing in the Patron. Sucks because it's such an unscalable part of the business model, but I really love doing them. I don't think there's anything more valuable in crypto, period. Even if it's just once to talk to somebody, there's so much bad information. There's so many kind of questionable answers out there and sources, and almost all of them are motivated by some kind of financial incentive, and so it can be very difficult to get basic answers. That's why I don't think there's anything that can replace them, and I'm going to offer them as long as I can. They are not scalable. Alright, Bitcoin, you're looking pretty good again. Maybe if I get off here, it can run. That's typically how it works. What do you guys think? I need to eat anyway. Figured I'd squeeze in a stream just to calm everyone's nerves. Cradle you in my technical analysis arms. I'm going to put this chart up live on the Discord. As we do after the shows, I'll do it now. TikTok. Discord link in the chat. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Prayers out. Prayers out to Ja, brother. He's gonna need them. Oof. I love you, man. We're all praying for you. You know, I'm not a prayer. I'm not a praying guy, but I'm praying for you. Absolutely. Alright, links in the chat, guys. I love y'all. We'll be back. Bullish thoughts here. Bullish thoughts. Things are not looking too shabby. We're watching for that 4-hour close. Things are looking decent. What's up, Ninja Boy? Looking decent on them. Doesn't that 4 hours going to be nice and spice? Thank you, Vesemir. Thank you, D-Pumps. Later, Momang. Later, fam. Love you. Make sure you're in Discord. Make sure you're liked and subscribed. Check out Patron. I will catch you guys very soon. Sooner than you know. Watch for the pump. The pump. Crown out. Whoa. What's happening with... This looks really cool, but I don't know what it is. How did this happen? Has it been like this?
January 28th, 2020. Entry CHZ. Look at it. Sorry bro, I got to outflex here.